In this video, I am going to explain how you can set up and install two subdomain enumeration tools called Asset Finder as well as Subfinder. So for that, I have already prepared one install.txt where I have given link as well as installation commands. I am also going to share this installation commands as well as links into the description. You can just check it out. Subdomain enumeration is the one of the most important part in the scanning phase. That's why we are going to use mostly used subdomain enumeration tools called Asset Finder as well as Subfinder into this video. I have created one temporary folders where we are going to download these tools. So for that, just change the directory into that temporary folder. So use cd temp to change to that folder. Now there is one file called install.txt. We will just cat this file to find its content. First of all, split this screen by Ctrl Shift E and use cat install.txt. So these are the commands which we are going to use to download this subfinder as well as asset finder. Our first command is wget and part of GitHub repository of Subfinder. So simply paste that command and it will download Subfinder. Subfinder will be in compressed format. So we need to extract this. To extract this, we are going to use tar command. Okay, we have successfully downloaded this Subfinder. Now use Ctrl L to clear the screen and use ELS to display all the downloaded content. So here you can see we have downloaded this Subfinder compressed file. To extract this, use command tar-xvf x for extraction, v for verbose mode, and f for forcefully. So simply use tar-xvf and use sub and hit the tab button so it will auto complete this command. After extraction, you can see there are total three files. One readme.md, second one is subfinder, and third one is lesson.md. So we just need to move this subfinder to /user/bin for the installation purpose. So simply use me to move this and then subfinder, and we are going to move this into /user/bin. So simply use this command and hit the enter button. So after this command, we will be successfully able to run subfinder from anywhere. Now enter sub and use tab. If it gets autocomplete, then we have successfully installed this. Here you can see I was successfully able to install Subfinder. Now let's try to install Asset Finder. So for that, we need to first of all install Go language. So use sudo apt-get install golang-go to install the Go language. Because Asset Finder is developed in Go language, that's why we are going to install Go language. I already installed this, so it doesn't affect anything. Now use go get -u github.com slash path of asset finder. Simply copy this command and first tab, just paste it and use enter. To clear the screen, you can use Ctrl L, and after this command it will start downloading as well as installing asset finder. Now we have successfully installed asset finder as well as subfinder. If you want to use asset finder, then you can use command like asset finder --subs only and path of our target. So use asset finder --subs only, and if you want to scan for facebook.com, so use here facebook.com and hit the enter button. And if you want to save this output, then you can use t and give any output file name. So use pipe operator t and give any name like facebook.txt. After this, you can hit the enter button and it will find all subdomains of facebook.com and save it into facebook.txt file. Now we got all the subdomains of facebook.com. If you want to list the facebook.txt, you can just clear the screen by Ctrl L and use ls. Here you can see there is one facebook.txt file. You can simply use cat and use facebook.txt to display its content. So this is how you can find subdomains of any website by using Asset Finder. Now we will use Subfinder for this. So use Subfinder -d and give any domain like facebook.com. And if you want to save this, then you can use pipe operator t and give any name like facebook-new.txt. So I am giving this name to save this output. It will take less time than Asset Finder to find subdomains using Subfinder. Here you can see it have also find all the subdomains of facebook.com. It have also created one file called facebook-new.txt. To display its content, use cat facebook_new.txt and hit the enter button. So this is how you can enumerate subdomains of any domain. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, then you can enroll into my course. I have given my course link into the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.